Suppose we have PON or PAWN is a parallelogram. Find the indicated measures. Okay? So, using this figure, hanapin natin yung mga missing measurements ng given dito. Okay? So, we have PW or the segment PW. So, makikita nyo, we have the segment PW. Okay? Pinapahanap the segment PW. And as you can see, meron kong given dito na PT, which is 3.65. Okay? So, using the theorem number 4, the diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the whole PW, okay, it has a midpoint of T. So, ibig sabihin, kapag meron kang midpoint na T, it divides the whole segment PW into two equal parts. So, ano yung dalawang equal parts na yun? So, we have PT and TW. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin? Pinapahanap the PW. Ibig sabihin, 3.65. Kung ang PT ay 3.65, it means TW is also 3.65 because PT is congruent to TW. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang yun, yung 3.65, okay, para makuha natin measurement ng PT, pag-add lang natin. Kaya ng PW, pag-add lang natin yung 3.65. So, 3.65 So, 3.65 So, we have 3 PW, okay? Again, yung PT na 3.65 pag-add natin doon sa TW na 3.65 para makuha yung kabuuan na PW. So, 3.65 plus 3.65 is, so pag-add lang natin, we have 10, 12 plus 1, 13. So, we have 7.30 or 7.3. So, the measurement of PW, ito the PW is 7.30. Okay, so let's start. So, let's have the next one which is TN. Okay, yung TN. Ang TN ay ito. Okay, TN. Ito. TN. Okay. So, what is the measurement of TN? So, that is 11.02. So, bakit siya 11.02? Okay? As you can see, AN, okay, the measurement of AN, or the segment AN, yung buo, the diagonal AN, has a midpoint of T. And, kapag midpoint, it divides the whole segment into two equal parts. So, ano yung dalawang equal parts na yun? Si AT and TN. And kung ang 80 is 11.02 and TN is also 11.02. So by the theorem number 4, diagonal bisect each other in a parallelogram. Okay? So let us have PN. So si PN, okay, is ito. This is PN. Okay? So, what is the measurement of PN? And that is 9.78. So, bakit siya 9.78? Because, ito. Okay, AW. Okay, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. Okay, so kung meron kang AW, okay, segment AW is congruent to segment PN. Okay, so they are congruent. They are the opposite sides of the given parallelogram. Kung ang AW ay 9.78, PN is also 9.78. Okay? So, let's have PA. PA is 13.66. Okay? So, bakit siya 13.66? Ito si PA. Okay? So, this is 13.66. Because, by the theorem number 3, Okay, opposite sides are congruent. NW, okay, is congruent to PA. Okay? Ibig sabihin, if ang NW ay 13.66, ang PA din ay 13.66 because the opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay? So, let us find naman the missing measurement of the angle of our given figure. The same figure again. So, let's have measure of angle A. So, ang pinapahanap dito, the whole measurement of angle A. Ito. Okay, this measurement here. Ang measurement ng angle A. Okay. So, the measurement of angle A, that is 74 degrees. Okay, without even computing it, calculating, that is 74 degrees. So, bakit siya 74 degrees? Because, measure of angle N, okay, that is na 74 degrees, is congruent to measure of angle A. So, by the theorem number 3. Okay, sorry kanina, that is theorem number 2, the opposite sides are congruent. The opposite angles are congruent, that is theorem number 3. Okay, theorem number 3, that is opposite angles are congruent. Kung ang angle N is congruent to angle A, kung ang angle N ay 74 degrees, angle A is also 74 degrees. Okay? So, let us now find the measure of angle P. Now, if you can see, measure of angle P, ang measurement ng angle P ay hindi 58 degrees. Okay, ang 58 degrees lang ay ito. Okay, ang tinatanong dito is the whole angle. Ayun. This whole angle na nandito. Yan ang measure of angle P. Yung pinapahanap is the measure of angle P. Okay? So, huwag nyo na lang pansinin ito para mas madali. Huwag nyo pansinin yung 58 degrees. Ang 58 degrees na, ito lang yun. Ito. That is the 58 degrees. Ayan lang. Ito. Okay? So, all you need to do, okay, is to apply the theorem number 4. That the consecutive angles are supplementary. Okay? So, ano ba yung mag-consecutive angles dito? So, we have angle P. Okay? The consecutive angle of angle P is angle N. Okay? Or angle A. So, we can use the angle N kasi meron siyang given dun. Okay? Measure of angle P and angle N are supplementary angles. So, pag sinabi natin supplementary angles, their sum of the angles are equal to 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, if meron kang angle N na 74 degrees, in order to find the measure of angle P, subtract it from 74, subtract it from 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin yan, measure of angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 74 degrees. So, the answer is 6. So, that is 106 degrees. Okay? So, that is measure of angle P. Tama ba? So, that is 10, 180. That is correct. Okay? So, measure of angle P, itong buong ito, that is 106 degrees. Okay? So, now, let us find now the measure of WPA. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, okay? WPA. Ito lang ang pinapahanap. Okay? Ito ang pinapahanap. Itong maliit na to. Okay, so meron tayong given dito, 58 degrees. Okay, itong portion na to. Ngayon, yung parang kalahati niya, ito. Yung other part of this angle P, yung pinapahanap. WPA. Ito ang pinapahanap. Okay? Ito. So, this angle here. Ayan. Kung meron kang 58 degrees dito, and then, pahanapin natin to. And as you all know, that the whole measure of angle P is 106 degrees. So, ano yung measurement in WPA? Yung part, okay, nung angle P. So, ibig sabihin lang yun, 106 degrees minus 74 sorry. It's not 74. It's 58 degrees. Okay? So, yun. Yung 58 na yun. Kasi itong kabuuan na to, that is 106 degrees. Eh, kung may 58 ka dito, so ano yung measurement dito? Pag minus mo lang. Okay? Simple arithmetic lang tayo. So, that is 106 degrees minus 58, that is 16 minus 8. So 106 degrees minus 58 degrees, that is 48 degrees. Okay? 48 degrees. Okay, the measurement here ng WPA, that is 48 degrees. Okay, so last item we have letter H. Okay, so meron tayong letter H. Okay, so pinapahanap is PWA. Ito ang pinapahanap. Okay, so we have PWA. Ayan. Ito ang pinapahanap. Okay, so what is the measurement of PWA? Okay, without even computing it or calculating it, you can see what is the answer. And that is 58 degrees. Okay, so bakit kaya siya 58 degrees? Okay, you can apply the law or the theorem from parallel lines cut by transversal. This angle here na NPW, okay, are alternate interior angles with PWA. Okay, alternate interior angles. 58 degrees dito, ito ay measurement ay 58 degrees. Kung 48 degrees dito, 48 degrees din itong portion na ito. Okay, so that is finding the missing measurements in a parallelogram or by applying all the theorems of parallelogram.